Hey guys, welcome back to Xposed Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you guys how to be able to customize the initial screen that you turn on when you first log into the YouTube application on your device. Let's check it out. Has this ever happened to you? You go into the YouTube application on your device and the main pane that you actually are greeted with is the what to watch. It's not necessarily a bad pane to start with, but the main concern here essentially is it's an aggregated list of some of the things that you've done on YouTube as far as watching videos and some of the things that YouTube thinks this is important to you, and it will put it front and center in front of you. Unfortunately, 90% of the time, at least in my case, I like to go into my subscription. These are the videos or these are the channels that I like, and that's why I subscribe to them. And I'd like to be able to see their latest videos right away when I first turn on my YouTube application. Well, this is where this this module comes and helps us today. The actual module is called YourTube. You install that, check the box and restart the device. The interface as far as the application is pretty simple. It tells you which default pane you want to actually log into, support, and show the icon in the launcher, which essentially if you do, if you don't, you can just access it directly within the Xposed installer. Of course, you're able to customize a playlist ID and a subscription ID. But the main thing here you notice is you have the option of changing the default login screen now. So what you have the ability is just change it straight into my subscription, which essentially is what I wanted to do. So first thing we want to do is close. And I'll close Google now, and I'll go home, and I'll go ahead and launch my YouTube application again. So this is just to prove concept, showing that basically it does log in straight away into my subscription, automatically into this section, and I'm able to basically go back to what to watch if I'm done with my actual new videos in my section. So the main benefit of here is that you're able to access all of these settings straight in and customize them from the YouTube application. As I mentioned before, you have the ability of going to watch later, playlist, and subscription. The playlist, essentially you have to put it in a playlist ID, otherwise it doesn't work. And then browsing channel, you have the ability also to set that as well. The interface is pretty simple. It was updated not that long ago, and it is compatible with the latest version of the YouTube application on off the Google Play Store. So the interface is pretty simple. You guys could see the setup as far as what you need to do. You just need to tell it which pane to be able to set it up to. And for me, as I explained to you on the hands-on, I like to be able to log into my subscription section. These are the videos or the channels that I care about the most, that I've subscribed to. Not to say that the what to watch is not an important part, but what I'm trying to say is essentially, I'd like to see what I want to see first, then I'd like to see what Google would like me to see as far as some of the recommendations they have. Other than that, it's not that hard. If you do need to go in with playlist or with the subscription ID, or as far as a channel, you do need to go into your browser and copy the actual ID based off of the URL and put that into the application. There's some explanation in the thread where the developer gives you an example of what you need to do. But overall, it's pretty simple and it does exactly what it needs to do. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's a simple module, but for me, it saves me time and it just makes my experience using the Google provided YouTube application, because there obviously are other applications on the market that will provide you with the YouTube experience. But at least with this specific one, a better experience of logging in directly to what I want and what I care about right away. Like and subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe to my channel, and as usual, I will see you guys soon.